Okay, so welcome to the demonstration of my project. For the project, I was choose uh, between various projects that I could handle, and I decided to pick up assistant memory AI agent. And so I started working on the agent, and I decided to implement graphical neural networks into creating a persistent AI agent. And so this is my project. I named the project Mnemosyne, and I'm going to show you that it is indeed working. It does store memories from conversation with users, and it also retrieves the relevant memories that are required by the user in order to provide good and a well-informed output for the user. Yeah, so for testing, I had built the project around only one user, so that the graphical neural network model could accumulate more memories, so that it could demonstrate that indeed the graphical neural network works. It is able to score the model, to score the memories, and help in the retrieval of relevant prompts. So we're going to start. The model already knows my name, and I'm going to show you that it indeed remembers. If you can see, this is a new session, and I can also do this and show that you're starting the new session. And so, hello. So as you can see, the model is able to recall my name. My name is Newton, and if we can look at this prompt, that this pop-up that just showed up in between the prompts, I placed it there intentionally, so that I can be able to demonstrate that indeed the model system does write memories and also retrieve memories. So if you're going to look at it, you can see that this is a new session, and it had to retrieve memories so that it could remember my name. And we can also ask it my second name. Okay, the front end on this dashboard is hosted on Streamlit. I never had enough time to actually build an entire website for the that UI, so I had to use Streamlit. And as you can see, the model was able to recall my name. My second name is Mariama, so my two names are Newton Mariama, and the model is able to recall that. And we can also, from our previous conversations, I can ask it what it recalls about me. And after some few thinking, after spending some few minutes reasoning and trying to remember, you can see that the memory does remember from our previous interactions. I recall that you are Newton Moriyama, and you have discussed a project called Metrics, and so on and so forth. And also to make sure that to show you, to demonstrate that these things are not hard coded in the system, so that I can dupe you into thinking that the agent does remember. I'm going to also do an give it an ask it an unrelated question, so that you can see that it does not retrieve or write memories in every turn of conversation. So you- I'm going to demonstrate that the agent is able to score and score the importance of memories or of conversation, so that it knows whether it needs to save the conversation to the database or retrieve the conversations. So let's go. Yeah, so the LLM behind this project, this AI agent is Qwen, as specified in the hackathon, and the entire project is also hosted on Alibaba Cloud. Yeah, so as you can see, the model was able to return some pretty good answers, and also we can go to a new chat. Okay, we can test whether the model is able to write memories in real time. I'm going to tell it my hobby. So okay, we'll see whether the model, whether the system is able to write that as a memory, because that should be written as a fact about me, about the user. So that's wonderful. Newton. Horse riding is a fantastic hobby. It's not a great way to stay active. It's not only so you can see that the model is able to do that. Now we're going to go over into a new chat and see whether the model is able to remember my hobby. So this is a new chat, this is a new session, and we're going to test the cross-section ability of the AI agent to actually remember memories about the user. So hey, so as you can see from the previous session, I told the model that my hobby is horse riding, and in the new session, the agent was able to recall my hobby.